This is a 2020 Nissan Rogue Newton Certified Pre-Owned. You want to ask your salesperson about all the benefits that come with that program, but also be sure to ask about the 7-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. Additionally, this was a Newton rental. Came over to our used department as a certified pre-owned. So you'll want to ask about 2-year free maintenance on this specific vehicle for a limited time. Okay. Now, motion activated liftgate is going to come into view here. There we go. Now that's a very handy feature for putting groceries and different things that you shop for, and you have a cargo cover to cover over, so make it more difficult for people to peek at what you've just purchased. All right, very nice feature. You'll notice that you have alloy wheels, you have a chrome rear bumper protector, you'll notice the V-motion grille as you come around the vehicle, nice chrome trim. Move around the vehicle to give you a more comprehensive viewpoint on this SV in the gun metallic on a charcoal interior. Actually, I like a dark interior on an automobile. It seems like that it's easier to keep clean. Now, coming across the dash, you'll notice the D-shaped steering wheel, nice and sporty look. And as we get more of a close-up on the seats, you'll see just in what fantastic condition this vehicle is. You are absolutely getting a frontline ready vehicle that is ready for your driveway. All right, close-up of the heated seats. Your back seat. Rear vents for maximum comfort for the rear passengers, lots of leg room. And here's the rear camera. And you push button start to the left of the rear camera there. Auto climate controls, Sirius XM satellite radio. Sirius XM is a subscription service. Bluetooth controls on the right side of the steering wheel, and driver display on the left. The controls for that. Advanced safety button. Power liftgate button. All right, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder gives you power and is connected to a CVT transmission for smooth operation. Newton rental and Newton certified. Front and back inspection, and there's paperwork that is available for this vehicle. We'll show you what has been done, show you the checklist, which is extensive, give you a free Carfax history report. This vehicle has been detailed both inside and out.